Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. Let's make money together. This is New York session, and I'm just 12 minutes late, but you're already in the session. Our trades are running profitable. We are scalping Bitcoin and gold as of now. The time is 18 hours 15 minutes for the day. I hope everybody is doing fine. My trades are running good. My this trade is also running. This one is also running, and I'm not focused on gold right now because I had my longs on gold. Gold is too slow compared to Bitcoin. I wasn't in a mood to stream. It's not like I was just low energy. I'm tired, man. Fucking. But let's do this shit. Let's stream because we have to. 2 hours daily, New York and daily London. We got a nice sell at high near the near the what you call resistance zone or near all-time high, where the selling pressure is kicking in now. With this is the best time to enter a short entry over here. Those of you who opened a short from this position, they should put their stop loss around 93,500. My old trades, the stop loss is sitting at 9300. Rest is history. I need to grab a glass of water. Yeah, I'm back. So, as I was saying, Bitcoin is near all time high, so most likely the selling pressure will enter from here, and we are in a short. By the way, a lot of people are messaging me, and I will reply to your text after the stream. I don't know majority of the people who are trading. Wait a second, I was looking at my MP5. Yeah, so as I was saying, majority of the people who are in a short on Bitcoin, they should always put the stop loss where I mentioned. Of course, I'm not giving signals live on YouTube. I mean, I'm hinting you an entry. I said that as the year is closing, I will stop giving signals, even the free signals, because I want you guys to learn. I gave a lot of signals. That's the way. Actually, it's a harsh reality. If anybody wants to grow their channel, they have to give free signals. And unfortunately, that's a harsh reality. Everybody does it, but nobody does as perfect as me. Nobody gives as much signal as me. But here we are. Let's not just talk about it. Let's focus on the good stuff. We are in a short, so we're gonna stay on the short. A lot of people are texting me, please understand I'm streaming right now. I cannot reply. So don't be, sad. I'm, I'm busy right now with the stream, so I'll reply you later on or my team will reply. Try to understand that during work, my replying is, a distraction and I don't like distractions while I work. Please respect that. I will respond to all of you after the stream as much as possible. We are in a our short area is around 92 700. Previous one was around 92 300. Both these trades are still running. Stop loss, this one is stop loss is sitting at 93. This one is stop loss is sitting at 93 500. Trade is running as far as I said. Whenever it wants to drop, it does a rig pullback, and after the pullback, it drops. If I switch the time frame from 1 minute to 15 minutes, we can clearly say, and let's turn off the time sessions and everything. We can clearly see that we are in a sideway range, and right now it's just consolidating between these what do you say 93, in between 9200 to 8800, 8900. It's just consolidating within this range, and it looks like it's a breakout, but it's not a breakout. It's just a sideway range where we are stuck. This is nice. You can scalp as much as possible and make profits out of this zone, as I am doing this currently. I'm scalping this zone. Yes, I am long. If somebody asks me, am I holding long positions on Bitcoin? Yes, I am. Down from the bottom, but you guys know me. Well, you have been watching me for the past 15 months. They know I like to carry my trade on swing. But then, nevertheless, let's just focus on Bitcoin. Let's also take a look at gold. This is gold right now. Gold dropped down. Okay, this is what gold is doing. Gold is doing what gold does. It's messing with your head, but in the long run, it's bullish. So, as you can see, it's dropping down. This is because on the intraday chart, gold has just intersected with the, what do you say? Let me properly show you. On the intraday chart, gold is just touched the daily trend line. Yeah, I know Bitcoin is dropping. I don't give a shit. I know it's dropping. My analysis is on point. By the grace of Almighty God, keep us on top. I know it's gonna drop. I have confidence in my trade, in myself, and I trust God that He'll. So on a daily intraday chart, this thing is going up. Okay, this thing is going up, and when it was dropping down, a lot of people were posting, messaging me that this is the reversal or change in trend, and I clearly told them that when gold is cheap. Hey, what's up, man? DJ. Yeah, I got your message on Discord. Message me over there. I reply to you, brother. Don't worry. Why is my message less? My voice is not less, brother. You need to correct your headset. My voice is too high. So as clearly visible over here on intraday. When it was here, I said getting over here buy is a preferable. Nobody listened. I quite quietly opened a buy, and on news when the news got released last week, I took a sell, and then rest is history. After touching 25.36, rest is history. And even right now it's cheap. Don't think that. Just wait for the pullback. It dropped down, right? This dropped down. Now wait for the end. Wait for the entry. If you know how to trade, then good. I'm not gonna give any more free signals for gold on live stream or neither on the Telegram group. From premium, yes, they will get the entry because they are paying for it. Nothing is in the world free. But I will stop giving live signals for free. I will give you a hint. I will say this is the best entry, but to the point, if you want it, get in the premium. That's it. Because somebody told me that, time is the most important. I work hard for this stuff. This is my years of hard work. I will not give it away for free. I have given 3, 4 months for free. You guys have made enough profit. Now just focus on learn, educate yourself. Either from the stream or the course. That's it. I'm getting professional. I'm being way too nice. I was way too nice, and and a lot of people were way too rude. So this is a response to them, a middle finger. Go fuck yourself. Let's come back. Copy my trades on your own risk. I'm not gonna give you any entries. If you want entries, join the premium group. My volume is okay, brother. I don't know. There's something wrong with your headset. I think there's nothing wrong with my volume. My voice is as loud as clear as possible. I don't know what's wrong with your setup. My voice has no problem. Everything is perfect. Connection, everything is all right. I don't know what you're having any difficulty or whatsoever. Here comes the drop. Is the swing drop? Away. Look at the drop. Look at this phenomenal drop. This is the drop of the century. Whenever those people who buy near all-time high FOMO buyers, they get slaughtered. And this is the drop. Oh my god. This is drop is phenomenal. Look at the drop. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. This drop is it. Live baby live. Everything is live. $1 million. Let him be on the buy. He's not on the buy. He's swing trading. He's swing trading. I know him. He's swing trading. He's gonna hold that trade for 1 2 months. He's just showing off. He's just there. He'll steam. He'll go. And he he's just doing it for the stream. He has to stream. Don't worry about him. That guy's name is Crypto Face. Yes. Let's wake up the neighborhood. Look at this drop. This drop is phenomenal. We are in this cell and we're gonna hold on this cell for 2 3 hours. The hardest thing to do is the holding on to the cell for 6 7 hours. We're gonna hold on to the cell. Again, I'm saying we have the hardest thing to do right now is holding down to the cell. Still, I think London close. After London close, it might it might reverse, but there's there are several scenarios. We need gold to go back to around 89 or 88 zone. That's the zone we're gonna take our profits. And if from there we saw a rejection and it start buying pressure start entering, then we're gonna get into another buy, just like we are doing, following our trade plan with a stop loss, of course. By the way, guys, I don't know where your entries are, where your stop loss are. So just be careful. Let's talk about trade psychology today. While Bitcoin is dropping, because I want to cover two topics. First is how to use Fibonacci retracement, and the second one is trade psychology. Let's talk about Fibonacci. A lot of people don't understand the importance of Fibonacci. Fibonacci, this indicator is named by the famous mathematician called Fibonacci, who was born 70 years ago, and he had a great contribution. What this indicator does is that it shows you the overbought and the oversold zones, and with the help of it, which you can determine either to enter a continuation or a reversal, either in the continuation or the reversal of the trend. And this is not something new. This was developed 70 years ago. This has been taught and practiced by thousands of traders and perfected. This is one of 500 indicators out there, but the most important one in the top 10. If you ask me, this is in the top 10 indicators. And if somebody is not if I haven't seen any single trader not using this indicator. Every single trader who had made millions and billions, everybody used this Fibonacci indicator in their trading setup. Without Fibonacci, there is their trading setup cannot be completed. So the importance of Fibonacci is so much. Now let's just do a practical. I'll show you a practical example. This is a 5-minute chart of Bitcoin. Okay. If you take a this drop down there, when it dropped down, if you mark this Fibonacci zone down, this went up again, showing a continuation of the trend. Now, if you go do the exact same from the drop again, keep on doing this from the bottom till the top, you'll see the exact same thing from recent low to recent high, and you will see it will come back to the golden zone. Same thing over here. When it dropped down from the recent high to recent low, you see it coming back to the zero zone. After coming it back, it was just hovering around the golden zone, and it broke past. So this is where I entered, right? This is exactly where I entered over here. And as soon as it hit the what do you say zero line, it did a what do you say pullback, and now it's dropping down. So now it's clearly indicating what's indicating a reversal. If we are bullish, right? Gold is bullish. So what's happening? Continuation of trend will be confirmed once it bounces back off from the golden zone, which is point below and below the point of golden zone, which is 0.786. And 786 is a really lucky number. I always take my profit around 786. You'll get what I mean. They say if you can't hold on to the trade, then sit on your hands. I don't know who say this, but they can, hold on something else if you know what I mean. They'll may definitely, do something with it. If you cannot hold on to your trades, it's better to hold on to something else. You're wise enough to know what it means and mature enough to bonds included. Anyways, coming back to where I was talking about Fibonacci, as it's as is clearly visible, this is the overbought zone and this is the oversold zone. This entire area over here was overbought, and as soon as it entered the overbought zone, it just bounced back down. So and as it is visible over here, it is going in the oversold zone. And normally, a lot of people they make a mistake is when as soon as it hits the oversold zone, they buy it, and that's when the buying orders start coming in and they get liquidated. It drops down more, even further more down. So always wait for a bullish engulfing, just like previously over here. So to increase your chance of accuracy, what this indicator does is that it helps you the accuracy of your trades. Oh my god, look at this drop. Coming back to gold, as I was saying again, I have this is why the reason you see a Fibonacci on gold too. I'm bullish on gold. Everybody was bearish. I'm still bullish. So I'm selling small retracements and I already have my buys running, so I'm not worried. I buy on every dip. And a lot of people who took my course in the trading portfolio trader batch 1, 2, 3, they have my trading setups. So they know what I'm doing. They're using the exact same setups that I'm using for my entries and they're making profits, they're killing it. And we took the exact same sell entry setup based on my trading setup. My trading setup has Fibonacci in it. The rest other things what they are, if you want to figure it out, join the Pro Wolf batch 4 starting from 1st November. And right now only 13 seats are available. I only have 20 seats per month and it's just 13 seats available right now. Even if nobody joins, only 8 people are in the fourth batch, I'll teach them because when I started the first batch, there were only 7 people. Then it increased and every batch there are more people. And this time it looks like that the seats will be full before what do you say before the even month end. Anyways, coming back, it's not necessary you join it. It's for only those people who want to take their trading to the next level, want to learn something. And time is basically if you want to spend 5 years, 3 years, 2 years in the market, then learn, waste your 5, 3, 2 years. If you want to save your time, okay, learn everything in a month. From me, yes, of course. Time is money, money is not money. Save time. Imagine what will happen in the next 5 year recession, fucking bearish market, bullish market, God knows what kind of new pandemic, war, this and that. Imagine the amount of profits you can make by understanding. If you have this trading setup. Anyways, as I said, no more signals, no more free signals. Just streams and just education material. Nothing new. I'm just gonna talk about indicator, this and that. If you want to know how to trade like a person in a trading floor, join the Pro Bull Trader batch. That's it. Otherwise, because I want to encourage people to, educate in yourself. Stop relying on signals. There is no plan B. You are the plan B. Understand? You are the plan B. There is no plan B. Look how it gets calm as soon as it drops down. Now is there gonna be a bullish candle and everybody is gonna be buy thinking that it's about to pump. There's gonna be a FOMO this, FOMO that, and after creating a bullish candle, two, three of them, it will just drop like fuck. This is what's been going on. Anyways, guys, like the stream. I'll be streaming for 2 hours, then I'll be gone because I need to do work. Time is money, guys. Please understand, don't waste your time, and always remember if you have any question, you can message me on Telegram after the stream. I will reply them. Open the lot size according to your equity. Okay, don't take huge lot sizes. Always put a stop loss. If you don't know what lot size to choose, message me. At least I can help you once. I'll tell you what lot size you should open according to your equity. Always consult with a financial advisor, a person who have more experience. Never rely on anybody's signal, not even on me if you don't trust me. Okay? All these trades are my trades. I take risk on my trades. If somebody is following me, follow on your own risk. I don't know where your entry is, where your stop loss is. But if I have told anybody to take a trade at a specific entry point with a specific stop loss, there is no guarantee we will make profit because we are trading in a highly volatile market. What if it just bursts up? But there is a plan, there is a reason we follow our trade plan. There is a probability, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty, majority of mostly 92 95% of the time we are profitable, but not all our trades will be profitable. Just as seen on the live streaming total, we have total 271 wins, there was 31 losses, and 47 trades were break even. Why? Because once they were in profit, I put it on break even. So this is what happens when you trade with a risk. Okay, it's not like you will make profits on all trades, and it's also like this, that it's not like you're gonna make loss on all trades unless you're a fucking degenerate gambler. Okay, so try to understand the difference between a trader and a gambler. A trader has a trading setup, he has experience, and he has education, and he has people to trade with. He is in a community, he has a mentor to guide. He is that person. And a gambler is a person who is all by himself, and he doesn't open any book, and he's just being cocky, and he hates everybody and talks shit, and he has absolutely hate people who are making profits. So don't be a hater, be a educated trader. There is no sellers, there is no buyer, there is no bullish, there is no bear. They're just traders making money off. In this market, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. If you are a pig, you are a degenerate gambler and a pig then. Don't be like that. Be a trader. Have a trading setup. If you don't have a trading setup, work on it. Find something. As for now, the only thing I can advise you, always have a specific set of indicators. And if you want to rely on something, rely on Fibonacci and divergence. If you don't know how to trade, you should always learn how to use a Fibonacci. If you just could use, if you don't use anything, no moving averages, no Scotch, no RSI, no CCI, you just use Fibonacci, that is more than enough. Try to understand. I know there are some people who use nothing except Fibonacci and they make profits, but a lot of times they get also, picked out by the market. So this is why I have a trading setup which I give to people who work hard, who deserve it, who pay for it, and of course they are making money from it. There is nothing impossible in this world. God has created this universe from a big bang, and human beings are his biggest creation in the universe. And you, my friend, are capable of a lot of things. So don't think you cannot do anything. You can do everything. You're not less than anybody. So believe in yourself. When I can make so much profits, you can too. And there are a lot of other people who are. Join the Telegram group, okay? Right now I'm building up a team of highly intellectual people. You can see the post. I call it $1 million group, $1 million team. There is no cost involved. There are exclusive opportunities, and the selection will be done after shortlisting. Message me on Telegram. I am building up team, and I will, allocate time. I will be there, and we will sit down, and I will tell you what to do. You will be assigned certain tasks. We will search for altcoin, this and that, and we will use it. We will buy and we hold it, and only the members in that group will have access to it, nobody else. And the group will be really short, there will not be a lot of people. So message me on Telegram, and wait for the interview and pray that you get shortlisted. And yeah, if you have experience only. If you are not experienced enough, don't apply for it, because I don't want to waste your time or my time. We are really serious about making serious money. And you and I, we both know that trading is something, and if you do it alone, you lose it. I have people with me, I have my own team, I have my mentors, I have my colleagues, but I'm building up something for this community. Message me on Telegram, brother, then. It's dropping now. As usual, it's dropping. I call it $1 million group because everybody in that group After a year, we'll be a millionaire because God helps those who help themselves. Because you have to manifest everything. Bitcoin is dropping down to 88. Confirmed. Hold on to your fucking shorts, baby. We are going in high. Here comes the profit. Big money, baby. Big money. Let's go. Live streaming. Robo trader live streaming, making live money. You see anybody doing this? Give me likes. 20 likes. Let's do this, baby. I'm not even bothered about it. I know it's gonna drop. Look, at the same time, gold is jumping. I told you, na, buy the gold on because gold right now is, is gonna keep on climbing. I'm looking for an entry, but this gold entry I will, only give to the premium guys because they are paying for it. No more free signals. If you want it, come join the group. By the way, I'm also bringing up exclusive memberships for Discord and Telegram. People in Telegram, Telegram is just some notification app. Try to be more active on the Discord. Discord is where I sit mostly, and Discord will be the place where I will be mostly active. Just wait for it. I know majority of the people would want to close their trades. Just wait for it. It will come back till here and boom, drop down more. So as visible over here. Hold on to your trades. Hold on. It's gonna drop down. So today I said I'm gonna cover two topics: Fibonacci and trade psychology. I discussed about Fibonacci. Okay, now let's talk about trade psychology. Trade psychology is the most important aspect of trading. A lot of traders they don't understand that trading is something which involves money, and we have to pour our energy and our full mindset along with education and all sorts of other stuff. And one thing as a trader you have to understand is that human emotions are the most dangerous things if left unnoticed and unchecked. A lot of people they don't understand that when you're not in a nice mood, you should not trade. If you have a fight with your girlfriend, if you have a fight with your wife, if your boss in your office is being a prick, if somebody is annoying you, if you are upset, if you are depressed, if you have anxiety, all kind of human emotions, please stay away from trading. Don't ever need to come in front of any electronic equipment that can give you access to MT5 or any trading platform. Try to understand, try to see yourself as a sick patient who needs to be treated, otherwise he will die. If you trade within that state of mind, there is 98% chance that you will make errors, you will make mistakes. Just like a hot machine cannot work when it's overheated, you need to put it down so it cools to be used again. Just like our human minds are not capable enough of making the right decisions in the most horrible state of mind. So try to understand trade psychology is really important, and always say nice things and always think positive things. The most negative aspect that you can do is to force yourself into trades. Never force yourself into trades, wait for it. In 1 hour, if you have a trading setup, in 1 hour you can get 4 to 5 trades. That is enough for you. And also one more thing. If you are an intraday trader, the max amount of trade that you should aim for is 3 to 4. 3 to 4 trades is more than enough. If you are somebody who's scalping, then the maximum amount of trades that you can open is 20 to 25. Okay, this is what you do. You put it down, and also one more thing: give what the market, take what the market gives you. If you say no, I want huge profits, and you are scalping, and the market right now is just dropping, 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 dropping. Okay, right now is dropping, right? Insanely dropping. Let's just say my TP zone is over here, by the way. Okay, and I say this to myself: I am not gonna take this profit. I want this to drop to 70,000. Baba, take the fucking profit over here. Don't force yourself. Don't force yourself. Take what the market gives you. That's it. This is what you do. You be smart about your choices. Understand, this is how you become profitable. Again, I'm saying, if you want to join the $1,000,000 group, message me on Telegram or on Discord. And you need to have experience. You will be shortlisted after interview. Join the premium group if you want signals. No more free signals on live stream or Telegram group. Only educational material, and I will only come live for to do my analysis. My trades will be live, and of course I will show my live trades. But it will be up to you. I will not recommend anybody to follow my trades. Enter on your own risk. I don't know what account and equity size you guys have and what lot size you have, but do it on your own risk. But if you want profits, join the premium group. Over there you will not only be given the entry, but you will also be given the acceptable lot size according to your equity, which will be given, of course, after having a conversation with you one to one, where will you not be only be given trade psychology related lectures, but also given some financial advising along with some other tasks, which includes motivating you to hit maximum amount of profit. Anyways, let's focus on the zone. I think, are we in a profitable zone? We are in a profitable zone, but I'm waiting for the more drop. Is gonna drop more or not? It's gonna drop actually. We are waiting for it. By the way, tomorrow is Nvidia earnings. Okay, don't forget. I was about to forget. So Nvidia earnings will have a huge impact on stock market. That in return will also have a huge impact on crypto. We might see crypto drop down if Nvidia earnings are really bad and S&P 500 start dropping. So this, we might see Bitcoin, drop down to somewhere around 86, 82. That will be a huge correction. So keep that in the mind. And of course, that will also have an adverse effect on all the AI related coins and meme coins. So my two topics are covered today: the use of Fibonacci and trade psychology. Right now it's really visible that let's let's switch back to 1 minute in order to see Is it really reversing or is dropping? What I see is possibly faking, grabbing buy side. This is where buyers get liquidated. This is a buy trap area. You have to be really cautious about your trades over here. It's gonna drop more now. Look, it's dropping. Yeah. It's gonna drop down more. If this area the buyers enter, there will be double buyer pressure. If there is double buying pressure, only then it will break above. If there is not enough buying pressure, private go. There can also be that the market liquidates buyers who are entering right now, FOMO buying. I think they will get liquidated because this has been going on around a lot. By the way, guys, we are almost near 500 subscribers. So on 500, when we will have 500 subscribers, I will give away some gifts. I don't know what it will be, but I will do some giveaways. This is where the buyers can get trapped in. But anyways, finger crossed. This is where the buyers will enter, and they will enter, and the it will look like it's going up, and boom. Russian foreign minister, Russian position is that nuclear war won't happen. Okay, thank God. Thank God for informing us. Looks like that it is doing a retracement, but I won't believe this. Buyers will get liquidated because going on 1 minute, I can clearly see that buyers can get liquidated around here. Why? Because we have demand zone over here. See this demand zone. Buyers will liquidate it. This will go up till here. If I take the Fibonacci, let's do a practical example of Fibonacci. It's in the golden zone on 1 minute. If it hits the zero area, it's okay. But if it bounces back from golden zone, then it's gonna go down deeper. I know it's gonna drop down. This is the pattern I've been seeing for a couple of days. Buyers are entering and now they're gonna get liquidated. If they are smart buyers, they would just get in and take the profit and get the hell out. Gold is also dropping, waiting for the gold to drop to enter. Right now we have to wait at least 3-4 hours. After 3 or 4 hours, this drop will complete. It will either go to 90 or 89, and then we will start buying. You can buy now, but it will be really small scale. If you're looking for a nice buy up, then you have to wait. Yeah, Rehman, can you hear me? Yeah, Rehman, you there? Is anybody there? Just watch after the stream. Ah, Rehman, watch after the stream. I'm taking a 10-minute break. Something happened. I'm here, but give me 10 minutes. Just watch after it. It's gonna go drop down. Be active on chat. I'll be right back.